guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to do another April Stitchfix unboxing. If you don't know about Stitchfix, it's a $20 fee every month, and you have a personal stylist. They decide through your style profile what they think you would like. You get 5 items. Whatever you don't want, you can send back. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. So if you want to keep watching and see what's in my box, stay tuned. So here's the box. You open it up. In the box, you get a little package. You get your style card, you get your prices, and then there's some stuff about extras that you can get. So we leave those off to the side. I just want to see if my stylist is Michelle. She did really good last time. So let's see if she's still my stylist. Oh no, Mary L. Huh. So, okay, we'll see. So here is my bundle. So first thoughts, white jeans, awesome. Love blue. And then there's a color I asked for. So, let's see what's in here. Okay, so we're opening the bundle. Let's see. The first item is, let's pull out the prices so I can tell you as I go. Put that down here. Okay, so first item, I love this color. It's really cute. It looks like it's an off-the-shoulder top. Okay, let's see. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive. Q&A Ashley off-the-shoulder blouse in cobalt, size extra small. Love cobalt. Love it. So we'll try that on and see. And let's see what she had it paired with. I think probably with some jeans, but we'll see. Okay, so next here, this looks like a cute black dress maybe, off the shoulder. Cute, so we'll see. This is a Jolie. Oh, I'm sorry, the cobalt shirt, that one is $54, the blue one. This is the Jolie Fia cold shoulder knit dress, black extra small. That is $38. Cute. Next top. I love this color, I really do. This top here. Very nice, a little crisscross. Let's see what it is. Emery Park, Dolte cross front knit top, mustard, size extra small. Let's see, Emery Park, and that's $38. Next, we have a pair of jeans here. These are Cosmic Blue Love, size 25. And they're size 0 in indigo. And Cosmic Blue, and they're $58. Last item, we have some white jeans. And they have this little at the bottom. It's really cute. So we'll see here. Let's see how much these are. These are Stitch Fix exclusive. And the brand is Tinsel, and they're size 0. Selena Grommet Frey Hem Skinny Jean. And these jeans are $58. Wow, that's a great price. So the total for my box is $246. If I buy all, it's 25% off. It's $61.50. Then I have a credit of $11, and it brings it down to $173. So I'm gonna try everything on and then come back on here and let you know what I wanna keep. Okay, guys, so guess what? After trying everything on, I probably won't wear the white jeans that much because they're white and I'd probably get them dirty. So, and the blue cobalt top, which I absolutely love, but I don't know how much use I would get out of it. Probably wouldn't wear it that much. So, I'm just probably gonna keep this top. Love it. Thanks for watching, guys, and give this a like and comment below and what you think I should have kept or whatever. My decision was okay. All right, thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.